Hi peeps, unboxing dos, the Check It Round Table podcast and the Hen Network in concert together right into this video. Okay, this is an IMEI almond pumpkin seed cookie. I had the peanut one early. You can go check out that vlog I did on the unboxing of it. Hey, now we're going to do it. I got these because I like snacks, and these are very low in sugar. They only have 5 grams of sugar per container, per 2-pack of two cookies. They are made in Taiwan of wheat flour, sugar, egg, vegetable oil, palm oil, pumpkin seeds, milk powder, almonds, soy, butter, leavening, antioxidants. They come in these cute little boxes. There are 5 in a pack. They're $1.15 a container, so very, very reasonable. They didn't have so much plastic for the bowl. And we're going to do the unboxing. Okay, as you can see, they have little pumpkins and almond seeds in them. I like both the peanut and these. It's good. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It's not greasy like shortbread, which I do not really like. It's just perfect amount of sweetness and nut.